Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
Start by plugging the sync module 2 into a nearby power outlet and wait 1 minute. Open the manufacturer app on your phone and sign in with your account credentials. Connect the module to your home 4 GHz Wi-Fi network using the app prompts and your network password. Watch the LED indicator. A solid blue LED means the module is ready for setup and pairing. If the LED shows orange, move closer to the router and try again. After your module shows ready, press and hold the module button for 5 seconds to enter pairing mode. Open the app and select Add Device, then choose your camera model to start pairing. Pair each camera individually using the app pairing screen and follow on-screen steps. If a firmware update appears, allow it to run. Firmware updates typically complete in about 90 seconds. Do not unplug the module during updates. Once finished, confirm each camera shows online status in the app. Place the sync module 2 within 30 feet of your router for best wireless performance and stable connections. For setups with multiple cameras, ensure your internet provides at least 50 Mbps upload speed to handle simultaneous streams. If any camera shows offline, reboot the module by unplugging for 30 seconds, then plug back in and wait 1 minute. If the LED flashes red, open the app and re-attempt the setup process. Contact support only after trying these steps to save time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.